To create a report, a financial institution has two options: by uploading a document submitted by the customer or by uploading an Excel sheet with input details. Let's create an order by uploading a document. Once the document is uploaded, your order will be visible on the dashboard along with all the orders created in the past. There are various filters which a user can use to find a specific order from the list, such as state filter, district, tahsil, village, order status, whether processed or in progress, owner name, etc. The user can also access all the reports with the discrepancy or without discrepancy by clicking on the buttons visible in the Now highlighted section. Let's go through a report. So, the financial institution has given an input document. User will be able to access this input document from the report also. Let's see how a typical input document looks like. The portal will extract two types of details from this input document: input details, secondly, land details. As you can see in the report, this highlighted section contains input details like survey number, applicant name, village name, etc. These details are extracted from the input document given by the financial institution. The second, land details, in the now highlighted section are also extracted from the input document. A user will be able to find land details right below the summary section in the report. The land details will include owner name, land holding size, survey number, and encumbrance details if any. The input details will be used to fetch updated land record from the government portal. This updated land record can be in any regional language like Marathi, Hindi, Gujarati, etc. The portal will extract data from these documents, will convert it into English, standardize the output details. On this standardized output, the platform will deploy its proprietary 42 intelligent risk scenarios, which Advarisk developed leveraging on artificial intelligence and machine learning after processing thousands of reports each day. The portal will now prepare two types of reports on the final output: account level details report, B, exhaustive survey level report. The account level details will be visible in the report at the bottom, which can be used to compare vis-a-vis land details in the input document. The updated land record can also be accessed directly from the report by clicking on this link at the bottom. Finally, based on a comparative analysis between land details available in the input document and updated land record document, a summary is provided also in the report that will basically highlight in case of any change in four aspects: land area, ownership, survey number, and encumbrance. Here remember, I was talking about an exhaustive survey level report. A user can access this report by clicking on the buttons in the highlighted area. The exhaustive report can be seen in three different sections. A, order details. It contains details like order ID, loan ID, application ID. B, input details as extracted from the input document. So, column D to N would contain details like land location, ownership, area, survey number, khata number, etc. Now comes the interesting part, a detailed analysis. In the column O, you can see it mentions if there is any change in survey number. If yes, then the new survey number is mentioned in the next column. Column Q talks about if there is any change in ownership. If yes, who's the current owner as per the latest land record document. The next column will mention what is the relation between the current owner and the owner mentioned in the input document. As you can see in the highlighted section, it says the current owner is a part of the family. The next row says the owner is a third party. The T column mentions if there is any change in survey size. If yes, what is the new survey size after change. On similar lines, the report will give a detailed overview around mortgage amount, charge holders, whether it's bank or society, charge date, or the bank charge amount, SRO valuation amount, etc. Finally, the very important part, mortgage discrepancy. If yes, what is the discrepancy? Whether there is a new encumbrance, if yes, who's the first charge holder, whether our institution or some other institution, whether our institution still holds the charge or it has been removed, whether the discrepancy is found for one single owner or all the owners of the survey land. In the last column, for further ease and convenience, a direct link to the report is also given. To instantly access a sample input document, sample report, or a sample exhaustive Excel report, you can scan the below given QR codes in your mobile or any device. So that's it from my side. Thank you so much.